Next, I want to spray my face. I actually spray my hand with the mineral water because my eyes are still drying right now and I don't want it to start running. So I just spray my face with the mineral water. Get my skin nice and tight and dry. The mineral water serves the purpose of taking away that shine. You know, the shine you get throughout the day when it starts to get old and your face starts shining. This makes it look more finished. And it keeps it dry throughout the whole night, so no shine. Makes it look fresh. And I just take something that's sitting around and I help dry my face a little bit. Okay, there we go. All dry, tight, feels good. So now I have my MAC Studio Fix. So I said I use many different name brands. Whatever's good for my face and helps me out is what I go with. But MAC is my go-to. So I'm going to apply my foundation now. I know some people use a brush. I'm still using sponges. I find the sponge gets down in there so I don't have to keep applying more and more and more foundation. The sponge gets me there faster. Like I said, it already takes me an hour to put makeup on. I'm trying to shorten that, but it doesn't seem to be working. Still can't get under an hour. Make sure I get those areas that my sponge can't get. And so what I do next is now take my mineral water. This is just a spray bottle that I found around the house. Just a regular spray bottle. I poured the mineral water in here because the mineral water is a big jug. And I just spray my face. Let it dry. Again, I like that finished look of natural, clean. So, and I'm going to give it a second coat. Like my 4 dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 actually. And then I'm going to go side. Just so I know that I got to get all my areas and make it all blend in nice and good. Get them little bags under my eyes. Got that clean, fresh look. Spray one more time. The lightness. I can feel my skin getting tight. Now, just gonna take the brush and go over real quick. Done.